Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain the very important topic, which is magnetic field on the axis of circular current loop. So we have to derive the formula of magnetic field on the axis of circular current loop using Biot-Savart's law. So student, I have already drawn this diagram. This is the circular current loop. So student, consider a circular current loop carrying a steady current I of radius R, center O, placed in yz plane. This circular current loop which is placed in yz plane, and axis of this circular current loop, that is along x axis. And student, we have to determine the magnetic field at a point P on the axis of circular current loop. So we have to find the magnetic field at the point P, which is axis of the circular current loop. From its center of circular current loop, distance of O to P, that is what? X. So student, already I have written here, we have to determine the magnetic field B on the axis of circular current loop at a point P, which is x distance, from O, that is OP equal to x. Now student, we take a small current element on this circular loop, that is at a point C, and in the same way again we take a diametrically opposite point D. Again we take a current element on this circular current loop and apply Biot-Savart's law. And student, this is on the circular current loop at the top point C, where we have taken a current element dl vector, and its distance from the point P, Cp distance, means distance of current element vector with point P, which is vector R. And student, already you know that in Biot-Savart's law, magnetic field at any point due to current element, you know the formula dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. But in vector form, already I have written in earlier class, dB vector which is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I in bracket dl vector cross vector r divided by r cube. Now I am going to use this formula. So student, now we find the magnetic field at the point P due to current element at C using Biot-Savart's law. So magnetic field at P due to current element dl vector at point C on top of circular loop, And student, we know the formula, and this formula comes out to be that dB equal to what? Using Biot-Savart's law, using BS law, means Biot-Savart's law, B equal to what? Small element, so small magnetic field, mu naught by what? 4 pi I dl sin theta, that is what? 90 degree. So student, here dl perpendicular to what? R. So theta, that is what? Here theta, that is what? 90 degree, because dl vector perpendicular to vector r So in this manner, angle is taken to be what? 90. And you know that theta, that will be what? Angle between dl vector and r vector. But in this diagram, it is not clear that angle between dl vector and r vector, that is what? 90 degree. And students, see carefully. Here the current is flowing in the circular current loop. This will be the front. This will be the front part of the circular loop, and this will be the back side of the circular current loop. So current is flowing in this manner. It means what? Current going into the inside and coming out of the circular loop. It means what? Current is just flowing in this circular current loop in this manner. Current going inside and then it comes out to be, that is what? So here direction of the current, that is what? Coming outward, and here that is what? Current going inward. So already I have explained to you that direction of current element. Direction of current element is if you draw a tangent on the element, and suppose the student we draw a tangent on it, it means what? This current comes out to be, that is what? If you draw a tangent here, so at the point C, current coming outward. So if you draw a tangent on this dl vector, so dl and this r, which becomes, that is what? 90 degree. So we have right here what? 90 degree, theta equal to what? 90 degree. And student, from this diagram it is very difficult to find out angle theta equal to 90 degree. So now I am using a system to explain to you that how the angle theta, that is what? 90. In students, see here, this will be the circular current loop. See, this will be the circular current loop, current flowing, and this is this middle, that is what? This one is what? This sketch pen inside the circular loop, that is what? Axis, that is what? Axis OP, and this is, that is what? Vector R. This is vector R. This is vector R, and this is what? Tangent to the current element. So students, see carefully what will be happen here. See this. This is the center axis where we find the magnetic field, and this is the R vector. And if you draw a tangent on the current element, so we see that the angle between them, see carefully, the angle between them is what? 90 degree. So in this way we can say that angle between dl and r vector, that is what? 90 degree. So this can be written as dB, that is what? Mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. And student, direction of dB, direction of dB, direction of dB is in the plane, perpendicular to dl vector and r vector. Direction of dB, that is what? Perpendicular to the plane. This is dl and this is r, and you know that A cross B, A and B which are in a plane, and if you rotate vector A in the direction of vector B, then thumb will give the direction of what? Direction of A cross B. So direction of A cross B is what? Perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. In the same way, dl and r, one vector dl, another vector r. So direction of magnetic field dB is in the plane perpendicular to dl vector and r vector. So here magnetic field dB, which is perpendicular to the plane containing what, dl and r, and it is directed to what, this dB is perpendicular to what, Cp, and it is, and dB dash is perpendicular to C to P. So this is equation 1, student. Now I am going to find the same magnetic field at a point P by using the same formula, that is, student, similarly magnetic field at a point P, magnetic field at a point P due to current element dl vector at D, which is diametrically opposite to point C. Similarly magnetic field magnetic field dB dash, here we have taken dB dash, this will be what, dB dash, magnetic field at P due to current element at D, current element dl vector at D. So similarly we find what, dB dash, same formula comes out to be that because this distance is same, so angle that is also same, only direction of the magnetic field opposite to the first case. So dB vector, that is what, dB vector, which is equal to, comes out to be that mu naught by what, 4 pi I dl by what, r square, and this is the equation 2. And dB dash, this dB dash is also perpendicular to the plane containing this direction of magnetic field dB dash is in the plane perpendicular to dl and r, and it is directed perpendicular to what, dP, this will be what, dP, so perpendicular, that is what, dB dash. And student, we see that from equation 1, magnetic field at the point P due to current element at C and current element at D, we see that magnitude of both magnetic field at a point P, which is same, dB equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square, dB dash equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. So from 1 and 2 we find that magnitude, that is what, dB, we find that dB equal to what, dB dash. And student, now we have, and its formula, that is what, dB equal to dB dash, that is what, mu naught by what, 4 pi and I dl by r square, and r square can be calculated by this right angle triangle COP, r square, that is what, hypotenuse square equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. So student, it can be written as, by the diagram using PGT, mu naught 4 pi I dl as it is, and r square can be written as what, r square can be written as r square plus r square, x square plus r square. So r square can be written as x square plus r square, and this is equation 1. And student, see the diagram carefully. Direction of magnetic field perpendicular to the CP and direction of magnetic field dB dash perpendicular to what? dP. And if let angle CPO is equal to angle DPO, which is equal to what? Phi. Angle CPO and angle DPO, that is what? Phi. And student, this dB and dB dash can be resolved into their rectangular component, and the rectangular component perpendicular to the axis of dB, that is what? dB cos phi, and along the axis, that is what? dB sin phi, and rectangular component of dB dash perpendicular to the axis of circular loop, that is what? dB dash cos phi, and along its axis dB dash sin phi. And students, see that dB equal to dB dash. So dB cos phi and dB dash cos phi, these component of dB and dB dash which is acting in opposite direction, and dB equal to dB dash. So dB cos phi and dB dash cos phi what? Cancel out. And magnetic field at a point P, due to two diametrically opposite point on the circular current loop, and magnetic field due to current element from C to D, which is dB sin phi, dB dash sin phi, which is along the axis of the circular current loop, it will be what? Added. In similar way, if you take another diametrically opposite current element of the circular loop, and in the same manner their perpendicular axis, their component of magnetic field perpendicular to the axis of current loop is what? Cancel out. But magnetic field due to any two diametrically opposite current element at a point P, which is what? dB sin phi, dB dash sin phi. Similarly, all the component of dB and dB dash which acts along the axis of the circular current loop will be added. So student, now resolving net magnetic field. Resolve dB and dB dash. Resolve dB and dB dash into their rectangular component, perpendicular component dB perpendicular component of dB and dB dash, that is dB cos phi and dB dash cos phi cancel out, but component along the axis of loop that is dB sin phi dB dash sin phi added. So resolving dB and dB dash into their rectangular component, perpendicular component of dB. Perpendicular component means what? Perpendicular component to loop of circular loop of perpendicular component of dB and dB dash, which is perpendicular to the axis of loop. So perpendicular component of dB and dB dash, that is dB cos phi and dB dash cos phi, cancel out, but component along the axis of loop dB sin phi and dB dash sin phi added. So in similar way, total magnetic field due to all smaller current element at the point P, which is integration of dB, because dB equal to dB dash. So the magnetic field on the axis of every two diametrically opposite current element along the axis, that is what? dB sin phi, dB sin phi, dB sin phi, because dB equal to what? dB dash. So total magnetic field due to entire circular current loop can be obtained by integration of dB sin phi. So total magnetic field at the point P means what? Axis of the circular current loop. Total magnetic field at P due to entire circular current loop. So integration of dB, which is equal to what? dB sin phi, because all the component of circular current loop, magnetic field due to circular current loop, which is what? In the same direction, it will be what? Added. So it can be written as dB equal to what? Put the value of dB, that is what? Here integration sin mu naught by 4 pi I dl by x square plus r square and sin phi. And student, from the diagram we can find the value of sin phi. Sin phi in this triangle COP. Sin phi, that is what? Sin phi, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So r by r, and r we know that what? Small r, that is what? Under root. We can write down is x square plus r square to the power half sin phi. So put the value of here and taking this mu naught by 4 pi outside of this bracket, and sin phi, which is also written x square plus r square in I dl, and sin phi can be written as r x square plus r square power of. So B comes out to be that B equal to mu naught by 4 pi I, this r comes out to be here, and student, x square plus r square, here 1, here half, so it comes out to be that what? X square plus r square x square plus r square power 3 by 2 and integration of what? dl. Mu naught by 4 pi I r x square plus r square 3 by 2 and dl. dl means what? Circumference of this circle. Integration of dl, that is what? L. L, that is what? Length of the circular current loop, which is what? 2 pi r. So it comes out to be a student, which is written in this manner: mu naught by 4 pi I r I dl db dl db sin phi db mu naught by 4 pi. So here mu naught by 4 pi I mu naught by 4 pi IR by x square plus r square to the power 3 by 2 and dl, in place of dl, that is what? 2 pi r. And student, 2 pi cancel out, that is what? 2 comes out to be that, and then final formula comes out to be that here, that is b equal to mu naught by 2, because 2 pi cancel out, I r square by x square plus r square to the power 3 by 2, and this is the formula of magnetic field on the axis of circular current loop. Mu naught by 2 IR square x square plus r square 3 by 2. And student, special case, that is what is the magnetic field on the axis of circular current loop? First, on the axis, that is what is the value of magnetic field on the center when x reaches to what? O, it means what? x0. Magnetic field on the magnetic field at the center of loop, that is what? Center of loop, it means what? P comes to here, so that is what? X tends to 0. So from above equation we write b equal to what? Mu naught by 2 I r square, and then it will be what? 0 plus r square 3 by 2, it comes out to be that mu naught by 2 I r square by r cube. So cancel out, b comes out to be that mu naught by 2 I by r, and this is the magnetic field at the center of circular current loop. And student, if this circular loop contains n turns, then in that formula we put n IR square and here also, if the circular loop contains n turns, then this formula can also be written as mu naught by 2 n I by r. And student, this is the derivation of magnetic field on the axis of circular current loop as well as magnetic field at the center of circular current loop.